Recently, I've updated my computer to the Windows 11 and suddenly when I record any video, I see it's completely muted. No audio at all. So if you have a problem like your microphone is not working properly, you have a issue with the volume, it's less volumes and your input volume is low. So you can follow this tutorial and you can even follow this tutorial for Windows 10. So steps might work for you. Here's this PC on my computer. Give a right click on it and then you're going to look for manage. Click on more options and here you have a manage. So this windows will pop up and you click on device manager. Click on audio input and output device and you're going to uninstall it. Uninstall it. And now here you have a sound, video and game controller. You're going to select the Realtek R audio. Give a right click on it and uninstall it. So is the box, you're going to uncheck the box. Do not check the box. It needs to be unchecked and uninstall it. Click on yes. And then now after restarting the computer, you'll come back to the same place and your audio sound should be working fine. So if it doesn't work fine, go to the sound settings. And here you have a microphone. Click on microphone. And then you have a number of options to choose. You're going to see you have a start test, and if your input volume is low, you're going to increase the input volumes to the highest. It's 100%. So you are giving the full input volumes, and here you have a multiple number of options to choose. You're going to choose the possible best and high options that works for you. You're going to choose the possible best option that really works for you. And it needs to be the highest one. Again, and now you're going to start the test. When you speak some things and you stop the test, you can see the input volume is 0%. That means no audio at all. I'm going to start the test. Now it is 7%. 7% means when you play the audio video after recording, it will have a very low volume. So you'll come down and now here you have more sound settings. This windows will pop up. Go to the recording and here you have microphones. Either you double click it or click on properties over here. And then you'll go to advanced. It is exactly I've shown you before. A couple of bugs you have, it needs to be checked. So it will enhance the audio. So now you'll come back to the level and microphone level. You can take it to 100% and even boost. You can boost it to highest. And you click on apply and OK. And click on OK. So this should be working, and still you have the problems. What you're going to do is here you have the updates. So here you're going to see updates. Sometime updating will cause the problem. So what we do is we'll uninstall the updates. Click on update history. When you scroll it down, here you have option to uninstall update. The recent update has caused the problem. So when you uninstall the update, uninstalling the update should fix the issue. So one by one, you're going to uninstall all the updates. So if you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Share this with your friends and family. So don't forget to restart your PC after doing these changes.